Hey everyone, so this is the Fetions Air Purifier. This will be a quick unboxing here. So it has 4 wind speeds. Of course, it has the filter reset on there. It is a low noise machine, and it of course works in a fast pace for purification. Here are some specs on it. So you see this one is the HY4866. This will use up 48 watts, which isn't bad at all. It weighs about 8.8 pounds, so just about 9 pounds or 4 kilograms, so it is nice and light. The size here is 15.8 by 12.1 by 7.1 inches. And this one we have here is going to be white. A few more quick things here. It does have the timer on it. Two-sided air intake, so it comes from multiple ways of pulling in that air. Cheddar lock, so you cannot mess around with it. And it does have a display, an LED display on it. Alright, so here it is out of its packaging. It was nicely wrapped up in there. So we have our display, should be right there. Alright, right here. I will plug this thing in just a moment here. Of course, your air should come out here. And it'll take it in there, as well as on the other side. It does have a handle here, and again, it doesn't weigh that much, so you can carry this around your house if you need to. And on the sides here, it has some tape with this, just pops off and on. So you do both sides here. And then you want to make sure you, of course, take off the plastic, otherwise you'll be having some issues. It will not air purify with plastic on it. And let's take a quick look at the filter here. These are very nice feeling and very nice looking filters. So it does tell you the front of it. I mean, it looks at that, has that honeycomb look to it. It's nice and thick. This should do a very good job. Very, very nice looking HEPA filters. And of course, both sides have a filter, so make sure you take off plastic on both sides. Otherwise, again, you'll have some issues. And a quick note here, it does tell you the filter right there, so that is very nice here. So you should not forget, well, if you do forget, you can see your filter right there, so we can look it up when you need to replace these. Looking at the bottom of the filter here, we have our brand name right there, and you also have the model number right there. So if you do forget what one this is, go ahead and look it up, or look on the bottom of it, and it'll be right there. And it also has these little rubber feet, which is nice, so it's not going to scuff up anything. And then on this side, right here, we have our power supply. Alright, it is now plugged in. Let's go ahead, we'll hit the power up top there. And we can see this is now green. So this will go through a couple different colors depending on your air quality, but it will take it a moment to do to initialize. So after a little bit, it should show you the actual color. Right now, mine is green though, which is pretty good. Actually, it's very good. And then going over these right up here, you do have a cheat sheet right here. So we'll go from this way to this way. So we have the filter reset button. Then you have your timer settings. You have your child lock, of course your power button there, your wind speed buttons or your fan speed buttons there. Then you have a sleep mode, which will work at its quietest wind speed and minimize the light that will come off of here, which is nice, so it's not keeping you awake at night. Then once you activate this screen again, it will get out of sleep mode. And then we have an auto mode, which will automatically adjust the wind speed according to the detected air quality, so depending on the air quality you have, which is very, very nice, of course. Wind speeds, looks like there's 4 different wind speeds. And the timer can go between 2 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours if you want to keep it on a timer. Then going back to this air quality here, so there are 3 different air quality indicators of this light that you can see right here, which is now green. There is green, yellow, and red. So green means it is good, yellow means it is so-so, red means you gotta get better air quality. So make sure your air purifier is on, so it will make your air quality better. Then also going off of this display here, so you have your PM 2.5 up top there, which goes along with the what mine says right now is 014, which should be really good for your air quality. Below that, with these dotted lines, is going to be your filter life. So of course, the higher it is, the better your filter life. The lower those dots are, the less dots there are going to be, you need to change it out once it gets pretty low. So that is quite nice how it shows you your filter life even, and then also the numeric display of your air quality. So yeah, that was a quick look and a quick, sort of quick unboxing here of the Fetions air purifier. This one's HY4866. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to buy one. So far, this seems very, very nice. It's very nice looking too, as I touch everything. It seems very, very nice. We're going to go ahead and hit auto. And it says auto. Yeah, so stay tuned. I will do a review of this. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching, and thank you to them for sending me this model as well. Thank you all. Have a good one. Goodbye.